today I have a step ladder. It's a perfect purchase in every house. You can easily clean some stuff on the top, to change your curtains, to wash something, to clean your windows. It's very stable in one place. It's lightweight. It does not slip. I think it's a must-have for every house because it's compact. You can easily put it in some small places. It's made with a high quality material. You can easily transport it anywhere, and I'm highly recommend this. You like it?